Good morning, this is a short screencast to demonstrate Search Explosion. Here we've got a website store. This is a Shopify storefront. I'm going to click on search, and instead of getting a basic search, what I get instead is this search screen. It's automatically populated with a whole array of results, although that of course is configurable, so you can have that, turn it off if you'd like. And then as soon as users start typing, they're being presented with more products. Every single keystroke it triggers a search, the search returns products, and that gives users a great insight into the kind of products you've got inside your store. If I see what's going on in the back end, this is the admin interface for Search Explosion. Here I've got the search index. Currently I've indexed all of my products, but if I were to change my products and want to refresh that index, I click refresh and it will go away, search through all of the latest changes in my products and pull those back in, and you can see that percentage going back up to 100%. There's settings in here, so I can change what search results are displayed and the text that's displayed in the placeholder. I mentioned earlier that you can choose whether you want it to generate search results before the user started typing. I can control the colors and fonts, and these are all configurable with click and tick, so there's no need for any kind of coding or programming. And then exclusion, so if there are some products that I want to tag to exclude from my search and so on, I can do that in here too. Finally, a live demo. When I click the live demo, I get exactly the same experience that my users will get on the front end of the site. So here we've got the random set of results again, and I can do another search. That's it for Search Explosion. If you have any questions, please come back to me in the comments, and best of luck with your store.